Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can see Tinder likes without gold. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Tinder app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, Tinder is a dating app that you can use to find a person of interest based on the profile users create. Whenever someone likes another person or is interested in them, they give them a like as an indication. But on Tinder, you would need to pay in order to see who liked your profile. To check it for free, the first thing you need to do is to go to the Profiles tab, and the second profile that is behind the top one is always the person who liked you. It doesn't matter if you close the app and reopen it. The first profile will be updated, but the second one will remain the same. That's how you can see Tinder likes without gold. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.